Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The makeup look that I am going to be doing today is the pink eye fire makeup look. As you can see that I have already done my eyebrows and added my foundation on. The first step that we are going to be doing today is that we are going to be grabbing the pencil eyeliner and going to be drawing the outline before we head on to the eyeshadow process. If you do think that this eyeshadow makeup look is gonna be hard, well, in my opinion, it isn't. A tip that I can give is that search a eye makeup fire makeup look that has been drawn by others, and you can find a lot there on Pinterest. This is the overall final outline look that I have drawn, and now I am going to be doing the same on the other eye as well. So far, this is how it looks like. And now I am going to be using this brush that I took from my old eyeliner that I have finished, and I am just going to dip this brush in a dark pink shade matte lipstick. Now I am going to be taking and gonna be using the concealer and just gonna be applying it inside of the outline fire eye makeup look to where you are going to be applying the eyeshadow. Make sure that you do not go over the line and in the line, because you do not want to get the eyeshadow over it or in between the line, just inside of the eye area. The brush that I am going to be using is a flat brush. In this step, you can use any flat brush as long as it is a flat brush. After applying the concealer, you do want to add your eyeshadow fast as you can as possible, because you do not want the concealer to be drying before you could put the eyeshadow shade. I do really apologize if the video quality is blurry, and that is because I'm still not used to using the camera that what I'm using. And yes, this has happened again, and there are reasons of why this is happening. It is because sometimes I have a limit of doing my makeup, and that is why I do some things in a rush.